guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. So as you guys can probably tell by the title, today's video is my unboxing the Glossybox advent calendar. So this is the Surprise Me Glossybox 2021 advent calendar. So I'm super excited to unbox this. And if you are new here, then my name's Tasha, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below. So I will be unboxing this today, and I will tell you about the products within this book. This basically just says what's in the advent calendar, so I'm going to be using this to help me. But yeah, there's some really good products in this. So the box just looks like this. How gorgeous is it? It's like a marble effect with the white, the pink and the gold. It's so gorgeous. This is my kind of vibe and my favourite colours, so honestly I love this. So it's just magnetic on the front. So this is the drawers. This is what the inside looks like. So the drawers are just filled with the numbered boxes for each day of Christmas or December. So yeah, these are all the numbered boxes. How pretty are these? So we are just going to start off by number 1 and go all the way up to 25. So yeah, let me just get number 1 out, and yeah, we will start from there. So in number 1, we just have the Elemis cleanser, and it says it's the Elemis Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser, and then it just says anti-aging at the bottom, and this is the 30ml bottle. So yeah, this is worth in the box £16 because it's just the little mini one. So yeah, I can't wait to try this. But yeah, this is what's in day 1. Honestly, I can't wait to try it. I've always wanted to try Elemis products, but yeah, this is what's in day 1. So how good is that for a first starter? In box number 2, we have the Wonder Beauty Trip for 2 Blush and Bronzer Duo. So this is what that looks like, and the inside just looks like that. So how pretty are those? This is worth £25.50. So yeah, I can't wait to try this. So that's what's in number 2. So in number 3, we have a sleeping mask, and this is the Glow Satin Sleeping Mask, and this is worth £6.90. Moving on to number 4. We have the Sarah Chapman London Facial Lift. So this just massages your face. So yeah, and this was £30. So yeah, I can't wait to try this out. So yeah, this is what's in day 4. So yeah, let's move on to day 5. Day 5, we have Avon Skincare, which is for your face, and this is worth £89. So I can't wait to have a skincare night and use this. So this just looks like this, and yeah, that's what's in day 5. Day 6, we have the Molten Brown Bath and Shower Gel. So this just looks like that. Such a pretty bottle. And yeah, this is worth £10. So yeah, I can't wait to try this as well. So yeah, this is so pretty and it's worth £10, and that's what's in day number 6. Moving on to day number 7. We have the Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care Intense Thickening Hair and Scalp Mask. So this just thickens your hair and makes it grow maybe. But yeah, this is the 30ml Deluxe Mini, and this is worth £9. So this just looks like that. And yeah, this is what's in day number 7. Next, we have day 8, which is a W7 brow pencil. And this is full-sized and it's worth £2.95. So it looks like this, and it's kind of a dark brown. So that might go quite well with my hair. but we don't know. But I do like quite a dark brown pencil. But yeah, this is a full-sized brow pencil, and yeah, this is what's in day 8. Day 9, we have some Black Magic liquid eyeliner, and this is the full-sized one, and this is worth £16. So yeah, this is from day 9. In day 10, we have the James Read Gradual Tan Sleep Mask Retinol. So this is what's in day 10, and this is worth £15 and is the deluxe mini. Moving on to day 11. We have the Pixie Glow Tonic, which is 100ml, and this is the full-sized one, and this is worth £10. So that's what's in day 11. Day 12, we have a lip mask, which is the Plump and Repair mask, and this is worth £4.99. So that's what we have in day 12. In day 13, we have the Laura Geller face brush, and this is the deluxe mini. So this is worth £13. So yeah, you could just touch up your makeup with this, and yeah, I literally can't wait to try this in a makeup video. But yeah, honestly, it feels so soft. So this is what's in day number 13. Moving on to day number 14. We have a peeling mask. So this is a peeling mask by eCooking, and this is worth £11.10. And yes, it is the deluxe mini. So yeah, this is what's in day 14, and it's just a peeling mask. In number 15, we have some Wipeout Swipes, which are just some cleansing pads. So you get 2 of these, and they are worth £7. So yeah, this is what's in day number 15. Moving on to day 16. We have the Steve Laurent lip liner, which is worth £10.70, and this is the full-sized version. So we just have the lip liner by Steve Laurent, and yeah, this is what's in day number 16. Moving on to day 17. We have a scalp massager, which is worth £12, and this is the full size. So yeah, in day 17, we just have a scalp massager, so I can't wait to try this. So yeah, this is worth £12. Day 18, we have a Zoeva mascara, and this is worth £15. So this is what we have in day 18. Day number 19, we have the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray, which is worth £16, and this is from day number 19, and it is the deluxe mini. So as I said, this is worth £6, and this would be so good to spray on your pillow if you have trouble sleeping at night. So yeah, I might actually try this tonight, not gonna lie. But yeah, this is worth £6, and yeah. In day number 20, we have the Larizzi Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick, and this is worth £14, and it is the full-sized version. So this is what's in number 20. And it is a very nice colour actually, so I'm actually so excited to try this. So yeah, that's what's in number 20. In day number 21, we have some Bubble Tea Bath Crumble in Pink Grapefruit. So this is worth £4.99. So yeah, I can't wait to try this as well. So this is what's in day 21. in day number 22, we have the Verso Nourishing Cream. And this is the 15ml one, and it is worth £23.20. So this is what's in day number 22. And this is the deluxe mini. So yeah, that's what's in day number 22. Moving on to day number 23. We have a mini lipstick which is worth £12. So yeah, this is what's in day number 23, and this is the deluxe mini. So yeah, this is worth £12. And it just looks like that, which is a really pretty colour. Moving on to number 24. We have the Soft Focus Glow Drops, and they are Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer, and this is the 31ml, and this is worth £50. And the bottle just looks like this. So how pretty is these glow drops? So yeah, this is worth 50 quid, and yeah, this is what's in number 24. So yeah, I can't wait to try this. So yeah, this was number 24, worth £50, and it's the full size. Moving on to number 25, which is Christmas Day. We have the Huda Beauty full-sized palette. So it looks like this. It has such a nice glow on the front. So it is the Huda Beauty palette, which is so gorgeous. And the colours look like this, which are so pretty, so gorgeous. I can't wait to try these in a makeup video or something. So yeah, this is worth £58. It is the full-sized palette, which is so stunning, and it literally is worth half your money on Glossybox, as I paid £105 for this Glossybox, and the products are worth over £465. So yeah, how stunning is this palette? And it has such a nice big mirror, which I love as well. So yeah, this is day 25, worth £58, and it is the full size palette. So yeah, how gorgeous is this palette? So yeah, that's the end of this Glossybox advent calendar. So if you guys have watched it this far, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful evening, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.